Hey, welcome to 2MinutesPy. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of Lambda functions in Python. What are they? Why do we use them? How to use them? And the significance they bring to our Python programs. Let's dive in. So, first things first, what exactly is a Lambda function in Python? Well, it's a concise way to create anonymous functions on the fly. Think of it as a quick one-liner function without the need for a formal definition. Instead of this, you can do this with a Lambda function. A Lambda function in Python is often referred to as an anonymous function because it doesn't have a name, unlike regular functions defined with the def keyword. When you create a Lambda function, you're essentially creating a function without explicitly giving it a name. The term anonymous in this context emphasizes that the function doesn't have a named identifier. Now, why do we use Lambda functions? They shine in situations where we need a quick throwaway function, especially when working with higher order functions. For instance, consider the map function. Instead of defining a separate function, Lambda lets us do it in one line. It's compact, efficient, and we avoid cluttering our code with unnecessary functions. Now, how do you use Lambda functions? It's simple. A Lambda function is defined using the keyword lambda, followed by the input parameters or arguments, then a colon, and finally the expression that the function will evaluate and return. Let's explore an example of using a Lambda function with a higher order function in Python. We'll use the map function to apply a Lambda function to each element of a list. In this example, we have a list of numbers. We use the map function, which takes a function and an iterable, applying the function to each item in the iterable. The Lambda function, lambda x colon x squared, is used to square each element x in the list. When you run this code, you'll get the list of squared numbers. Lastly, let's talk about the significance. Lambda functions contribute to Python programs by promoting code readability, reducing unnecessary lines, and making your code more expressive. They're a powerful tool, especially in functional programming, and can lead to more elegant and concise solutions. And there you have it, Lambda functions in Python, compact, efficient, and a game changer in your coding arsenal. Thanks for tuning in, that's all for now, and as always, keep coding.